2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, passenger airbag, child safety locks, CD player, fog lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.